Hello everyone, welcome to yet another episode of Dope, Hot and Fresh Local Sports, where we bring you exclusive Betal Top 8 Soccer Tournament. La bekuhlangane khona iHighlanders ihlangane neWinter Roses. Hey bashawa abantu. It was a second game la bekuhlangane khona kule top 8 phela sonto esibuya kuyona. Ake sithi ungena kuma highlights sibone amagoli angena kanje. Hey bashawa abantu. 4 masiqalisana.
Bona kunjani coach Winter Roses lona igame idlalile igame right ngibonile ukuthi okay abafana abafit so I think ba ready for ukuthi tournament at least bafike ku final so depending ukuthi okay final team enye babhekana nayo injani because ama team edlala awahlukile but I think ukuthi kuzoba i-final emnandi makuthi sifikile nakhona because bayathembisa bona showing spirit bayaphusha kahle mnandi yeah iloko nje ngibona ukuthi cha final sizofika
so niwile ngaki
score kube 4-0 is 4-0 so bonisile nje ukuthi
3 before half time.
Yeah, three goals before half time. After half time, okay, we scored 1 goal. No more, yeah, we sicindezela kakhulu umoya, dlala under pressure. So, but bazamile bafana, ukuthi bakhona ukuthi lokho bangakubuka kakhulu abasomoya. Yeah, bazama badlala ibhola belibeke phansi. So la khona bazokhona ukuthi wonke umuntu akhona ukuthi ibhola enjoy igame.
I was Highlanders. Bedlala second game bedlala up against the Winter Roses, so unfortunately si losile leyo game leyo. Mangibuka ngichecka abafana they were good on the ball, bangidlalele kahle nalokuthi ebengixpected be supposed ukuthi ngabe baphansi kakhulu because we are starting a new team. We lost a lot of players joining lo which is the SAP League. So we are building a new team. So unfortunately azange sibe nelakhe ukuthi si convert ama goals. We created a lot of chances. Even nale team le bezidlala nayo babonile just they were lucky because they created chances, but some of those chances they scored them. So thina njengathi azange sikhona ukuthi score lawo ma chance. And it's football. It's football. At the end of the day, one team must go down and the other one must win. Another thing, the field is too much windy, and the way we are in a field, so we can't play carpet football here. It's difficult for teams. Yeah, but it's not actually the reason, but it's very bad today. The weather is not on our side, but the tournament is beautiful. It's beautiful, and then all the best to the teams that they're going to win to the next stage. So, yeah. In the meantime, that's all I can say.
Sapida sabo. Nolake sai. Bega, oi. Sabo, yeka ugoalkeeper seketela yakhe.